Alright, listen up, business owners. If you've ever wished you could clone yourself just to keep up with all your WhatsApp messages, I've got good news for you. Before we jump in, make sure you click the link in the description for a juicy discount or special offer, because yes, you deserve that little win today. So, let's talk about ManyChat and WhatsApp business. Imagine having a super friendly robot on your team, one who never takes a tea break, never gets grumpy, and answers your customers instantly, even at 3 in the morning. That's ManyChat in a nutshell. It's a cloud-based platform built for people like you, busy owners who want to automate their customer chats, boost sales, and still have time for a biscuit. Here's the magic with ManyChat's drag-and-drop visual builder. You don't need to be a tech wizard. I'm serious. If you can drag a file, you can build your own chatbot on WhatsApp. No coding, no headaches, no swearing at your computer. Set up automated replies for FAQs, capture leads, send out broadcasts, and even follow up with customers who ghosted you after asking, "Is this still available?" And for the overachievers out there, ManyChat's got AI under the hood. It can recognize what your customers need, qualify your leads, and nurture hot prospects, all while you're catching up on Emmerdale. Plus, it's an official Meta business partner, so you know it's legit and your data's safe as houses. Worried about costs? Here's the deal. ManyChat's got flexible plans, and yes, WhatsApp charges per message, but you only pay for what you use. There's even a handy wallet system and calculator, so you're always in control. Over 1 million businesses trust ManyChat to turn chats into sales. If you want to work smarter, not harder, and maybe finally take that weekend off, click the link in the description below for your discount or special offer. Go on, your future self will thank you.